How to set up your Arlo base station. First, connect the base station to your router. Plug one end of the Ethernet cable into your router, and plug the other end into the Ethernet port on the Arlo base station or smart hub. Do not unplug the cable during setup. Step 2. Connect the power adapter. Plug it into a wall outlet, and if your model has a power button, press it to turn the base station on. Wait for the status LEDs. For 1 LED models, wait until the LED turns solid blue, and for 3 LED models, wait until the power LED is solid green. Step 3. Open the Arlo Secure app. Sign into your Arlo account, tap Add New Device, and then select Base Station/Hub. Step 4. Follow the on-screen setup. The app will automatically search for your base station. If it doesn't appear, verify the Ethernet cable is securely connected, make sure the status LED shows the base station is online, and keep your phone connected to the same network during setup. Step 5. Add your Arlo cameras. After the base station is added, tap Add Device, select your Arlo camera model, and then follow the instructions to sync each camera with the base station. Repeat for any additional cameras. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.